Welcome back to another vlog about Kashalo. Kashalo is a legit loan platform under sa kay Palu Lending. Makikita nyo siya doon sa list of recorded online lending platform. Finally, nagka-increase ako dito kay Kashalo. Although legit si Kashalo, kailangan kilalanin nyo pa rin yan, guys, because utang is a responsibility. So, magkano yung naging increase? Ano ba yung ginawa ko para magkaroon ng increase? Let's talk about it. Keep watching. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Ate Red here. Mas nakakita ako ng increase dun sa Kashalo account ko, guys. From my last loan, which was 4,000, naging 13K! Wow. At sinunod ko yung payo ng dalawa nating viewers. Shoutout dito sa kay MK, NQ8UT. You know who you are. Akin po, 9K always offer. Pero pag hindi ko kinuha agad, nagiging 16K. Always 8K lang yung kinukuha ko. Shoutout din sa kay Top THR3343. You also know who you are. Ba't ganito yung lumalabas ng mga usernames? Suggestion ko po, para mag-increase ang credit limit mo, hintay ka ng few days. Thank me later. And para hindi ka tawagan, mag-reply doon sa text nila para, oh, pwede pala yun. Kaya sinunod ko yung suggestion ng dalawang ito. And thank you so much indeed. I'm very thankful. Kasi 4 days pa lang before my due date, nagbayad na ako. Hindi na ako nag-reply dun sa text. Nagbayad na ako. And then, hindi ako nag-reloan kaagad, guys. Hinintay ko yung isang linggo. Pagbukas ko ng aking Kashalo account, ayun, 13,000 na po yung highest na offer sa akin. Meron ding 12,500, 12,000, down to 2,000. But of course, nasa one payment. Pero ito yung maganda kay Kashalo kasi payable siya. Hindi po siya 7 days, pero 45 days to pay siya. But of course, 15% per month. Yun yung kanyang interest with a very minimal processing fee or yung pa-insurance niya. But the point is 45 days. Of course, yung calculation na yan, it will be based on 45 days at walang cashback. Bakit ka magbabayad ng early? Yun nga lang, tumatawag sila, nagtitext sila 5 days before, 4 days before, at may tumatawag. Pero sabi daw, yung hindi ko lang na-try is mag-text back. Anyways, guys, before we continue, kung hindi pa kayo subscribe, please consider subscribing to my channel because we talk about loan apps. At syempre, mas masarap na pag-usapan yung mga legit na mga loan apps. Kaya today, it's Kashalo again. And I'll tell you the requirements later and I'll tell you more about how to apply if you're interested. But for now, guys, let's talk about the highest offer sa akin, which is 13,000. Okay pa ba to? So, if you click 13,000, of course, ilalagay mo yung cash out option, loan purpose, and then sa baba, makikita mo kung magkano yung mabayaran mo after 45 days. Yun naman yung term na available sa akin. For your information, yung first term ko pala, which you can see, yung first loan ko pala that you can see in a vlog, nakalink po sa description box yung vlog, 1,000 po. And my term, loan tenor was 14 days. Kaya yung binayaran ko is 1,094, which I think is okay naman, pang petsa de peligro, but only borrow when you know you can pay it kasi mabigat rin yung interest niya, ha? Imagine, 15% po siya. Good news is, good news muna is that legit po siya, registered, at nagsasubmit ng information sa CIC. So, kung good payer po tayo, then nakaka-good points to sa atin so that later on, ready tayo sa mga mas magagandang mga loan apps. But the bad news is, the bigger the loan amount or the principal, mas lalaki yung interest. Because here, before mo talaga matitake yung loan, so walang accidental loan dito, marami kang pagdadaanan. Like, you're gonna agree to the insurance, pero maliit lang naman yung insurance on. Papakita niyo pa sa iyo yung all the things you need to know about your loan, yung breakdown, yung agreement, because it's required by law. And then, mag-agree ka ng other things bago ka finally makapag-take ng loan. At kung approve ka ng system, because all loans are subject to approval, kaya may ibang nare-reject, kahit na may account na sa Kashalo, kahit na dating nakautang. And sometimes, it could take up to 24 hours bago mo matanggap ng loan. But kung walang issue, kasi last time nagkaroon sila ng system issue at next day ko pa siya natanggap. It happens, guys. Kung walang issue, kaagad mo naman siyang natatanggap. But sometimes, nagkaka-issue sila, kaya next day ko pa natanggap yung last loan ko. Anyway, so yun guys, na-notice ko na kung mataas na yung loan, parang mataas na yung interest. Kasi dito guys, napansin ko, naging 18% yung effective monthly interest rate niya. Yung effective daily interest niya, hindi niya 0.5, but naging 0.6. Yung effective monthly niya is nasa 18. So, mas mahal kung mas mataas yung loan. And I don't know why at this point. So guys, ito yung mga dapat natin i-consider bago tayo mag-loan. But at least guys kung hihiraman kayo, mapa 5,000 man or 13,000, at least buo mo siyang matatanggap. Kasi yung pa-insurance niya, yung service fee niya, hindi po niya ikakalta sa loan. pero idadagdag niya. Magiging part siya ng kung anong babayaran mo after the loan period expires. Kung gusto niyo talaga makita yung step-by-step process sa pag-apply ng loan, yung first loan ko, please go to the links in the description box. Kasi parang serye to, no? Kasyalo serye. But anyways, guys, yung mga IDs na tinatanggap ng loan app na to are the following. Verified ID, driver's license, SSS, TIN, voter's ID, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, loyalty card, or passport. Pwede yon, yung mga government-issued IDs, basta yung PVC type. You can only have one loan at a time. So, hindi po siya multiple. So, kahit na minsan lumalabas sa dashboard na parang kala mo makakautang ka ulit, pero kailangan mong tapusin. One loan at a time lang siya. At kung ma-reject ka naman, then there's a cool-off or there's a period that you have to wait, 30 days. And lalabas naman yun yung date kung when ka makaka-apply ulit. Somehow, makakabalik ka sa system nila, unlike yung isang loan app doon na parang game over na talaga pag hindi ka na-approve. Pero ito kay Kasyalo, nakakabalik ka pa naman. But take note that all loans are subject to approval. Now that you know that the interest could be somewhere between 15 or 18, yung monthly effective interest niya per monthly. Download the Kasyalo app. Pwede siyang ma-download sa Android. Pwede rin siyang ma-download sa Google Play. Register with your mobile number and select the loan product that you want to apply. Click apply kasi pwede rin siyang Lazada, guys. And, well, of course, yung paborito natin sa lahat is the cash loan. And then wait for your user profile review result and loan approval. Again, could take 24 hours kung first time or kung may system issue, pero kaagad mo naman natatanggap ng buo kung walang issue yung account at kung walang mga system issue na ganyan or mga maintenance na ganyan. And there are times na gusto natin palitan yung ating withdrawal method. So, simple lang naman, you just go to your settings and then update your bank account. But you can also contact them via email kung there are other information na gusto mong isubmit. Before I let you go, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo na dati nagka-issue ako kay Kasyalo, which is why reject na lang ako. And it took them a while before they let me know kasi email ako ng email sa kanila. It took them a while to let me know na the reason for that is dalawa po yung phone numbers na nakikita nila sa system nila. My old phone number and my phone number now. So, pinadelete ko yung isang account na associated dun sa isang phone number at kinip ko na lang yung, syempre, yung may current kong phone number at doon ako guys na-approve. Of course, I had to start from 1,000. So, please work with customer service if you have issues dahil sila lang po yung nakakasilip kung ano yung nasa problema sa account natin and they will advise you accordingly. So, okay, si Kasyalo guys, it's legit but like any other loans, dapat siyang pag-isipan because as a non-collateral loan na madali lang applyan at you don't even have to submit a payslip, medyo mataas din yung interest niya. Nasa 15% because it's a short-term loan. But rest assured, it's legit. Safe po yung information natin at kung magpasaway siya, pwede nating isumbong yun sa SEC. So if you want to see my first video about the first loan after nakabalik ako sa system nila, the link is in the description box. So thank you sa dalawa nating viewers. Shout out sa inyo na nag-suggest na hintay-hintay muna ako ng konti, huwag ka agad mag-reloan. Naghintay ako ng 1 week guys at doon nag-offer ako ng malaki-laki. Pero of course, masakit na rin yung interest eh. So again, nasa inyo po yan. That's all for today. I will see you on my next vlog. Bye!